naman tayo sa awarding ceremony ng Silang Town Fiesta. Ngayong araw to, magkita-kita na tayo doon sa stage ng awarding ceremony para sa Silang Town Fiesta ngayong araw na to. Let's go guys, punta na tayo doon.
Second runner-up goes to Banda San Jose!
Ano ba?
Pangalawa po natin ang ating second runner-up and overall champion, Banda San Jose! For overall champion, first runner-up goes to... Muli, inibitahan po namin ang buong miyembro ng inyong pong banda. First runner-up goes to...
Ay, Mep. Niwala ko yan eh.
First runner-up goes to El Gobernador Band!
Wala naman kayo. Wala ang governor.
Namin lahat ng miyembro ng El Gobernador na pumunta po dito sa unahan ng stage. Once again, lahat po ng miyembro ng El Gobernador Band pumunta po sa unahan ng stage.
Ayun na. The champion!
Overall champion of this competition will receive a cash and of course, ano ba tawag dito?
Bass
Bass drum. Sorry. Pang lalaki kasi. Ang alam ko ay baton. Bombo. Yung radyo nasa amin. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I know each and every one of you are excited to know who's gonna win our overall champion for this year's Best Comparing Band. Ladies and gentlemen, our overall champion will receive 20,000 pesos. And this year's overall champion then goes to the overall champion 2026 goes to Citizens Brigade of Tasmania.
Captain guys, overall. Napakainit.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our grand champion, the overall champion this year, 2026, the Citizens Brigade of Tasmanias. Congratulations, Citizens Brigade of Tasmanias.
Yun guys, tapos na po yung awarding ceremony ng Silang Town Fiesta at nakauwi na din tayo. Thank you for watching this video. Please come like and share na din po ang Wally Elgin de Guzman Vlogs, Elgin DG Vlogs. Thank you for watching guys, and please support our Facebook page Elgin DG Vlogs and our YouTube channel Elgin DG Vlogs din po. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe button para lagi kayo updated sa akin mga videos. Bye bye.